Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to install Spectrum TV app on PlayStation 5, watch via workarounds and casting. There is no official Spectrum TV app available for the PlayStation 5, but you can still watch your content using a hidden web browser workaround or by screen mirroring from another device. Because Sony has removed the formal internet browser from the PS5 main menu, you have to use a text messaging exploit to access the web, or bypass the console entirely using casting methods. Method 1. The hidden PS5 web browser workaround. Press the PS button on your controller, select Game Base, and choose a friend to message. Type watch.spectrum.net exactly as written and send it as a message. Now select the newly created hyperlink inside your chat box to launch the hidden browser and enter your Spectrum credentials to access the streaming dashboard. Note, the PS5 browser lacks full optimization for media streaming. You may experience occasional audio desync, interface lag, or a lack of full screen video capability. Method 2. Screen mirroring and casting. For Apple iOS devices, AirPlay. Connect to Wi-Fi. Put your iPhone, iPad, and AirPlay compatible TV on the same Wi-Fi network. Next, open Spectrum TV. Launch the app on your mobile device and play a video. Tap on AirPlay. Select the AirPlay icon within the media player. Select TV. Choose your TV or streaming receiver from the device list. For Android devices, Smart View Cast. Connect to Wi-Fi. Link your Android phone and TV to the same network. Open Settings. Swipe down the notification panel and tap Smart View Cast or Screen Mirroring. Select TV. Tap your television's name to display your entire mobile screen. Open Spectrum TV. Launch the app on your phone and expand the video to full screen. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.